good morning to all of you. Thank you for all stopping by. This is my winter tea station this morning I put together. This is the beautiful tea set that my daughter's sister-in-law gave me for Christmas. Is it not beautiful? I thought it went gorgeous with this winter tea station. Look at all the beautiful detail work on this teapot. So beautiful. I just love it. Beautiful pattern. And look at how beautiful everything looks on it. A gorgeous shade of blue and white. Oh my gosh, it was so beautiful. I put it together with my tea station this morning. I thought it looked beautiful and brought out all my whites, pieces, and crystal that I have. And of course, I found some white doilies left over from Valentine's last year to place with it to make such a romantic Christmas, I shouldn't say Christmas, winter tea station. These cups are just gorgeous, as you can see, the beautiful pattern and sculpture on each cup and saucer, and of course that beautiful spoon, so beautifully designed. Love the pattern on it so much. Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful set. And I just love how the other one, I've turned the other direction and you can see the pattern on the other cup. Now both cups have the exact same pattern on both sides. I had these candy canes left over from my kitchen vignette for Christmas, so I thought I would throw it in here and give a little more color to this tea station. Hope you enjoy it. I just couldn't believe how beautiful everything looked. And of course, I had some beautiful white flowers I thought would go perfect with this setup. Let me know what you think, if it worked or not. And then of course, I put my tea in the center of this display. The chai black tea is one of my favorites and I do drink it a lot. And of course, I have my milk and marshmallows onto one side. I just love using these pieces and they're great for any tea or coffee station setup. I always try to repurpose and reuse as many things as I can. Now this sweet spicy tea really doesn't need any sugar. It naturally is sweet. So I do try to buy a lot of this also, for I am prepared for anything with guests. And of course, I have my hot chocolate here ready to add. Now I do have some bigger cups for them, for there's plenty of room for that and my marshmallows. And as you can see, I brought lots of goodies. Now I don't want you to be horrified that I ate all of this, me and Grandpa. I did eat a little bit of it and I did use it for display mostly. My grandson came over and I packed them all up and sent them home with him for some of my great-grandchildren to have. So don't be yelling at me too much. I didn't eat all these beautiful pastries as you see, but they did photograph so beautifully, didn't they? Yum, yum. I just love them all so much. I thought they turned out beautiful in the display. Let me know what you think. As you can see, I had a lot of them. Oh, I tell you, they look so beautiful when I was filming. And I just bought them fresh from one of the local bakeries here in town. Look at how beautiful the whole display looks now, backed a little up. And look at all the beautiful flowers to go with the beautiful tea set that my daughter's sister-in-law gave me. Oh my gosh, just loved it so much. Let me know what you think and which was your favorite. As you can see, I have the bigger white cups in the display now for my hot chocolate. The blue and white ones are actually for my tea now. I thought it turned out pretty good, but I think it needs one more thing. What do you think it is? Of course, I needed some plates. Where are we going to place all those beautiful pastries if we don't have some beautiful white salad plates to place them on. I thought it looked so pretty with them. And then, of course, there we go. Me and Grandpa got our wonderful stuffed donuts. One with jelly and one with custard. Yum, yum. Oh, do I love these so much. So I had one for me and Grandpa for one day, and I got one for the next day. See, we have to just keep spreading out all those bad calories as much as we can. Hope you all enjoyed this post. Hugs and kisses if you've made it to the very end. Love you all so much. Please have an awesome new year. There's those kisses for all of you that waited. Bye-bye until the next video. Take care. Love you all.